Hello, Jay Leshark here for your Phuket weekly weather update from the 7th of September to the 14th of September. That's right. As you can see, my God, it looks all right. It's a little bit overcast out here. It is a little bit damp, which I'll show you in a minute. Oh, my cat's over there. I'll show you my cat as well. It is a little bit damp because there was a lot of rain overnight. But so far, it looks all right. It's very humid out here, very sweaty. But if you want to know what the rest of the week's going to do for your weather, then stay tuned. But before that, come and look at my garden. Got stuff to show you. Things are growing. It's good, isn't it? Yay! That's Lynx, my cat. She doesn't look very happy out here because it's a bit wet and damp for her. Oh, she sneaked away, look. She's hiding. You can't see her. Oh, Oogie Boogie Man! Ooh. All right, Farmer Shark here. And the Mischief. Hello, Mischief. Look. That's a sunflower there. Look at the garden's doing well. There's some bok choy there. My cucumber's doing all right. My corn's getting a little bit squashed. What are you looking at, Mischief? What are you sniffing? That's a tomato plant, that one. Look, it's a bit damp. There's been a bit of rain over the night and it gets a bit damp, this box. Anyway, that's me plant box. But come look at this. Here, look, in here. This is my compost. That's right, people, compost. It's good for your garden and good for waste. Right, let's go do the weather. Yeah, see, look. That's how the sun goes round on a flat earth. See, and then that's why it's morning in some countries and nighttime in other countries. Ha! I knew it was right. Earth's flat, for sure. Maps are flat. Oh, hello! Jay here. You obviously know that, so I just did the intro. So, anyway, Earth's flat. Right, let's look at the weather for this week. We're going to go straight away to our first app that we use is Windy. So this is Windy. Now this is set for Sunday morning. Now on Windy, green means it's windy. Yellow means it's really windy. Orange means it's even more windy. In fact, it's so windy orange, it's like this. See, it's a slow fart machine. Good, isn't it? Such a child. Anyway, blue is good and purple's really good. But this is Sunday morning. Phuket is here, Phang Nga Bay is here, and then Phi Phi is down here. And as you can see, Sunday morning, it's a little bit windy on the west side, but nothing too much to worry about. There are some drops of sunshine in the air this morning, that's for sure. But anyway, let's go look at Sunday afternoon. So this is Sunday afternoon as it picks up a little bit, so it will be a little bit bumpy coming back from Phi Phi this afternoon. Not that you'll be coming back from Phi Phi this afternoon if you're watching this, because you're probably already on the boat. Anyway, let's look at Monday. Monday the 8th. Oh, by the way, it's my daughter's birthday today. Happy birthday, Zahara. She's 14 today. That's right, the big 1-4. Yeah. Monday morning, a little bit windy on the west coast. Nice in Phang Nga Bay. Not too bad down at Phi Phi. So Monday doesn't look too bad for the wind. Monday afternoon, wow. Monday afternoon looks great. Lots of purple, lots of blue. Good day to go out Monday afternoon. Actually, I need to film. We're doing a new flipper, not Flipper the dolphin, because that would be silly, because, yeah, we don't have dolphins. I'm not a big fan of dolphins, but we've got a whole video I'm doing. I'm analysing. That's the wrong word, isn't it? What am I doing? I'm doing a tester video on different types of fins, flippers. That's right. Oh, and we've got a new sea bob to use. Not Bob, who goes in the sea, but a sea bob. Anyway, enough of that. Monday afternoon looks great. Monday evening looks great. Let's look at Tuesday. Tuesday looks amazing too. Wowzers. Very different from what I looked at yesterday. Really nice in Phang Nga Bay. Tuesday looks a great day to go out. Let's look at Tuesday afternoon. Wow, Tuesday afternoon looks good too. My word. Right, Wednesday the 10th. Woo, purple everywhere on Wednesday morning. Wow, Wednesday looks good as well. Wednesday afternoon. Okay, a little bit of wind coming from the west, but nothing too much to worry about. It's not that green, is it? It's more of a tepid green. Tepid green's not a colour, is it? Tepid means hot, doesn't it? Or semi-hot, warm. Oh, anyway, Thursday the 11th. Oh, a little bit of wind on the west coast on Thursday morning. Let's look at Thursday afternoon. Thursday afternoon, so it might be a little bit bumpy going back and forth to Phi Phi on Thursday, but nothing too much going on. Once again, what I did then. Phang Nga Bay looks good, but Phang Nga Bay is always good this time of year. Let's look at Friday the 12th. Friday the 12th, yeah, some green coming from the west side. Phang Nga Bay still looks good. Phi Phi does look a little bit bouncy on Friday afternoon. Oh, hello. I had to sustain a little burp then. Sorry about that. Friday afternoon looks good. Let's look at Friday late afternoon. Yeah, nothing bad on Friday. Saturday the 13th looks nice. Wowzers. I looked at this yesterday and it looked very different from today. Saturday afternoon looks amazing. And then Sunday the 14th, so a week today, looks good. All right, a little bit green over in Phi Phi, but nothing much to worry about. Sunday, wowzers. I'm really shocked, I have to say, because I checked this yesterday, I wrote all my notes about this, and it looked like it's going to be a really windy and rainy week. But from this, it looks like it's going to be a nice week as of Monday, look. Right, anyway, let's go to the cute weather. Now, I know this is quite small, but you might be able to see it, and it's white on white, baby. So this is Sunday. Sunday, there is a 91% chance of rain. That's true, because it rained this morning when I was getting up. 31 degrees. Monday, less chance of rain. It's dropping right off. It's always going to say a little morning rain, otherwise cloudy. Now, September is one of those months where you do get a little bit more rain than normal. September's probably the most inconsistent month of our rainy season. So it might rain, but it only rains for a little while. Then it's sunny again, then it rains again, 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 then it's sunny again. Yeah, there you go. 31 degrees though, and it does feel quite humid sometimes, obviously because of all the rain in the air. Tuesday, 31 degrees, 57% chance of rain, not too bad. Wednesday looks good. Oh, Thursday, thick cover apparently, and thunderstorms in the morning. But if we look at windy on Thursday, let's go to Thursday. What do you look like on Thursday? Oh yeah, I guess so. So this will be the rain coming in a little bit. Thursday, it might have a few drops of sunshine falling from the sky. Friday looks good. Saturday looks good, all 32 degrees. Looks nice, actually. Doesn't look too bad. But as I said, September is one of those really inconsistent months where it's kind of the best thing to do is kind of open your window and look up, especially if you're in Phuket. If you're not in Phuket and you wind down your window and look up, you'll get the weather for where you are. Obviously, not in Phuket. Right, TMD weather radar, which is pointless apart from for right now, this minute. So this is live. And as you can see, green is rain. And you see there's a bit of green coming in over Phuket. But the wind's coming from the west, so it should actually blow over the top. But this is live right now, so it doesn't really matter for you. So there you go. That's your Phuket weather forecast for this week. Phang Nga Bay is always a good place to go because it is protected by Phang Nga and by Krabi, and it's generally not as bumpy. Phi Phi is quite open, so it does get a little bit bumpy if you go down to Phi Phi. Khai is a good trip to go on, especially if you just want a half-day snorkelling trip. Khai is quite good. Coral Island's still good to go on. So there's loads of things you can do. One top tip though, you might want to book your boats now for high season because we are running out of boats for high season. So get your booking in now. And do this, right? If you book now or before the end of September, then on your trip, we're going to give you one of our free thermos cups, which I don't have with me, which is silly, really. I should have had that ready to show you. We have black ones and we have white ones. White ones have black logos or blue logos. I personally prefer the blue logo. But if you book now until the 30th of September, when you do come on your trip, we'll give you a free thermos cup. Keeps hot things hot and cold things cold. Good, eh? Right. I'll get back to my garden because as you see, it's a bit wet out there and I need to do a bit of gardening on a Sunday afternoon. And take my daughter shopping because she needs a present. Not quite sure what to get her. Not a fart machine, I guess. Come on. It's the slowest fart machine in the world. Right, that's your Phuket weather update from me, Jay Leshark, at my house for September 7th, my daughter's birthday, through to September 14th. Good, eh? Right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribing. Any comments, comment below and I'll answer them. I don't know what the weather's going to do on the 2nd of November at 10 o'clock, but you can ask anyway. Thanks for watching. Bye. Honestly, look at the way it works. So, look, I'm going to show this. Open that up. Don't look at this is what I watch, isn't it? So let's replay. See? This is how the sun goes round, see?
Stop it. Get some help.
Daylight over wherever that is, that's Australia. And this is not Australia. I don't actually know where anything is. Strange, isn't it? But look at the sun going round the flat earth. When you get to the end, you just fall off, apparently. Yeah. All right, there you go. Flat earth. Peace.